Did you know? According to a recent study, by 2025, 58% of all new jobs in the tech industry will be in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Yet, there's a skills gap. Welcome to Futurism X Pro, our new AI mentorship program, where we bridge the gap between the demand for AI specialists and talents available. Under the guidance of international mentors, you'll dive deep into the world of AI. With Futurism X Pro, you won't just be learning. You'll be working on real-world AI projects, solving real-world problems. Our program guarantees 100% placement assistance, work on real-world AI projects, build next-gen AIML solutions, making you market-ready from day one. Futurism X Pro is about being a part of a global community, about experiencing mentorship that's transformative and empowering. With Futurism X Pro, you're not just getting an education, you're getting a launchpad. Sign up today. Futurism X Pro, nurturing smarter brains. The future is digital. The future is now. Visit www.futurismxpro.com.